It's the bewitching hour. Hi Vogue, I'm Lana Condor. Watch me do a golden glowy makeup look. I have already prepped my skin. It is ready to go. I'm just gonna put on little eye patches, and this is gonna catch the makeup and also hydrate the under eye. I love this golden glowy makeup look. It's so pretty, and I think that the lights really catch it in a beautiful way, and gold works really well on a lot of skin tones, so. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. I'm gonna use a blonde taupey color, but if you use a lighter color, there's a little bit more room for error. So I'm gonna start with the base for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a little tiny bit of concealer on them. Blend it out. This will help your shadow stay in place. Now let's go into the fun part, the golden part. So I am gonna go in over my base with a neutral color that is close to my skin tone. The way that my eyes are shaped, I like to go higher with the shadow than you would expect because I think that I have hooded eyes, so I'll go higher. Honestly, almost to the brow. Now I'm gonna deepen my crease, which is my favorite part. And I'm gonna go in with a darker color, and it's super pretty. And this is really gonna help add definition to the eye. And I'm using a super light hand. The first time I ever wore this look was for my first red carpet. And my makeup artist, Anton, I think he knew that I had the jitters, so he gave me this really warm, strong, powerful, glowy, golden look, and I just remember feeling very confident. Okay, we are gonna put on the goldy pretty part. It's this color. Doesn't it look delicious? Look at that. I'm gonna go in with my ring finger. People say is like the softest. Who's to say? But you know, it works. I'm not like swiping, I'm patting it because I think the color payoff will be a little bit better. It is a delicious looking eye. A golden candy bar sunset. And I'm gonna enhance the crease. Just a little, just a little. Ooh. Sometimes you guys, you just have to look in the mirror and be like, beautiful. Just self-love, you know, everywhere you go. Okay, I'm gonna do my brow bone really quick. I'm gonna take a little bit of more of a, like a soft pink color. The baby pink. By the time you're done doing makeup, if your hand doesn't look like this, what are you doing? Okay, great. Now I'm gonna do a cat eye. Here's the thing about cat eyes. They're tough. When I was in high school, I would always do a cat eye and a red lip for school. Nothing else. Like no foundation, no brows, no nothing. What was I doing? I don't know, but I thought that the cat eye looked cool and I love a red lip. I like to kind of keep my, like the wings a little bit sharper and I don't go as thick because I think it works better for my eyes. Oh, I'm like not breathing. Stop while I'm ahead. That's always what I say, less is more. Now let's do our base. Take these guys off. Do I look like I've slept a ton? Wow. Okay, so now I will do foundation. I'm not gonna use a lot of foundation. I think for a golden, bronzy look, you really want your skin to be glowy. With the foundation, I like to go like right here because it'll give it like a sharper eye, I think. Ta-da! I'll do a little bit of concealer. A little here to catch the light. I'm gonna blend it in with a slightly damp sponge. I wanna do a little bit of like a smokier under eye to kind of tie it together. So I'm just literally gonna take my face bronzer and smoke out the bottom a little bit. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Mistakes are a part of life. You guys, you just gotta roll with it and don't be so hard on yourself. Give yourself a little bit more grace. That's honestly been my whole mantra this year. I'm gonna use the smallest bit of blush just to kind of warm up my face, but because there's a lot kind of going on my eyes, and I'll show you, the lip is gonna be like, bam! You don't want like a ton of other stuff. Smile. Let's do a little bronzer. This is cool because I'm using the same bronzer that I used for my under eye, so it'll really tie the whole look together. I like to pat my bronzer in. I don't like to do this. I have done this. Not a cute look. A little on my forehead. Put a little on my jaw. Bring it down, bring it down. Don't forget, you guys, don't forget. Now, I wanna enhance my beauty marks. So I'm gonna take this little guy. So cute. Hello. Another little guy here. Another little guy here. And then I'll take my little pinky finger. So cute. Let's do the lip. And then the look will be complete. I'm gonna line my lips. I just wanna enhance my natural lip line. I don't wanna change the shape of it. Liner is awesome because it kind of help make sure that the lipstick doesn't kind of bleed out. So many people like tell me, oh, I wish I could wear like a red lip. And it's often the people who say, I wish that I could wear a red lip, that would honestly look so good wearing a red lip. This red is a little bit more, oh no, it's pretty true. It has a little bit of an orange undertone, but I think it's gonna look really pretty. So easy to mess up a red lip. So take your time, it's worth it. I used my nail and just kind of cleaned up any place that maybe I messed up. This is a look. This is a bold look. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of mist on my skin to keep it luminous and pretty. And by a little, I mean a lot, because I have dry skin and I just want hydration. I believe this is it. This is the look. It's super fun, super wearable. Make sure, you know, someone's checking your teeth or you're checking your teeth. I hope that you like it. And I think that's about it. Hi Vogue, I'm Lana Condor. To watch more videos, subscribe here.